Now, what we can also do is we can save these character styles and paragraph styles and reuse them at a later stage should we want to reuse them in any other InDesign document that we have. Let's have a look at how we're going to save the character styles to start off with. A very efficient way of saving these styles would be to save them directly into your CC libraries. From the fly off menu, we'll go and create a new library, and let's call this one Styles. We're now in the Styles library, and we can click on this icon over here, which will add selected style to my current CC library. There we can see the character styles. Let's now go and do the same with the paragraph style. Bold text, we now add it to our current library, and this is paragraph styles. Now these attributes will be available to any other document that you may be using. Let's say, for example, we open one of our first creations. I'm going to select the text frame, and let's go and format it to the body text. You can select bold. We can now go and use any of these attributes, for example, like color. We can add color to the text. And should we wish to, we can now go and add the body text paragraph style, which has got indeed the attributes of 14 points with the 18-point leading. Naturally, you're going to pick up overset text, so you would just need to reconfigure your text frame so that you eliminate the overset text.